Hey guys, so I'm back again with another product review. The folks at Tanka, my dog, the folks at Tanka, I guess it's a jerky company, sent me 2 of their jerkies. So let me give you a little bit of information about Tanka. I had never heard about Tanka before, and they contacted me and wanted to know if I wanted to try their jerky. And so I said yes, of course, so I can share with you guys their product. So haven't never tasted it yet. I just opened it and I want to share with you. So it's Tanka Buffalo to sequester carbon and create a regeneration future. Okay. Tanka, the bars, the bites, and sticks they have. 70+% youth shoppers prefer ethical snacks. So they're an ethical company, they're saying, and they meet demands with their Tanka bars. You can go to www.tanka, that's TANKABAR.com, and try their bars. And let's see. Okay, it says Tanka's restoration vision: buffalo roaming 200,000 native. That was my dog again. Native anchors by 2022. So that's what they want. They want to have, I guess, more buffaloes. You know, the buffalo to be, because I guess, I don't know if they were going to be extinct or not. I'm not sure, but I guess they want to cultivate that and make sure they keep on having more growth in that. So number 1, it says eating buffalo meat is good for you. It says it's low in sodium, cholesterol, and saturated fat, and high in iron and selenium. Buffalo is a clean, lean, delicious protein. Number 2, they say, buffalo heal the earth. Buffalo renew the fertility soil and biodiversity of the endangered grasslands. Okay. 3, buffalo restore native economies. Buffalo are bringing back meaningful livelihood and prosperity to native communities, reversing historical injustice. All right. So they give a little bit of information about the buffalo: the forehead, the mouth, the hooves, the hoof prints, and the backs and slides. So they send you a little chart diagram, and I'm sure you can probably find that on their website about the buffalo, a little more information about buffalo. Let me know, guys, have you ever tried buffalo before? I can't recall that I've ever eaten buffalo meat before, so this will be new to me, well, let's give it a try. So let's see, guys. And it says it's gluten-free on here. So this is they sent a buffalo meat with cranberry. Okay, so being keto, you really shouldn't have cranberry because it's really high in sugar. But I'm just going to share anyway. And I might take one for the team and take a bite and let you know what it tastes like. And then this is a buffalo meat with cranberries as well and pepper blend. So that's that. So this one is about that size with the pepper blend. And this one right here is a little bigger, I think. So slow smoked original. So let me tell you what's in the first one we'll try. Is the buffalo meat with the regular cranberry. It's 70 calories per bar, 1.5 grams of fat, 7 grams of carbs, 1 of which is fiber and the other 6 is sugar, and then 7 grams of protein. So it's a little higher carbs than what I like for that one, and it's 6 carbs if you minus the fiber. And 6 sugar. So I might take a little nibble of that one, but that's per whole bar though, guys. And then this one is the buffalo meat with cranberry and pepper blend. It's a little smaller bar. Like, see, this is the size of my hand, so that's a smaller bar. It's not real huge or anything. It's like a snack. So this one has 70 calories, 2 grams of fat. It has 7 carbs as well, 1 fiber, 6 sugars, and 7 proteins. Okay. And inside this one, you have buffalo dried cranberries, which is cranberries and sugar, sea salt, encapsulated lactate acid, celery juice, black pepper, habanero pepper, jalapeno peppers, spices, garlic, onion powder, and red pepper. And then this one with just cranberries, it has cranberry, sugar, sea salt, encapsulated lactate acid, celery juice, black pepper, spices, garlic, onion powder, and red peppers. What are you eating? Oh, it's not a Tanka bar. Okay, so I hadn't opened it yet. That's one of her treats. She's having a treat as well. She might be the only one having a treat, because I don't think I'm going to eat this. Okay, and they give you a sticker which says, live life powerfully. So guys, I just wanted to share the treats with you, the size of the Tanka bars. I appreciate them sending it to me. I might have a friend who's not keto. Try these. It says there's no nitrites in it, no antibiotics, and they add no hormones. I appreciate you guys sending it, Tanka, but since I just want to explain one thing. These are not keto friendly, not in my opinion, because you can't have cranberries. I mean, you can. Let's put it this way: you have anything you like because it's your lifestyle, your diet. But if you're living a keto friendly lifestyle, and if you want to be totally keto, not dirty keto, not somewhat keto and a little bit regular, diet lifestyle, you can have these if you're not a full-on keto. If you incorporate fruit into your diet. As a keto-friendly diet, you should just generally add strawberries or a few berries. These are cranberries, but cranberries are high in sugar and the glycemic sugar level, so I would be kind of steer away from these if you are keto, living a keto lifestyle, guys. So I don't think I'm gonna eat them, and the reason also why is that my husband and I have been keto for about 1.5 years, and we have never cheated. We've never eaten sugars at all. We never eaten sugars or anything. So I'm just gonna stay away from these, and if you want to give them a try, go for it. And let me know if you've tried this before and comment below, and let me know if you do happen to pick up some, okay guys? So thank you guys from Tanka, and I appreciate it, and I'll let you know. I might do a follow-up in the comments if I let my friend try them. Okay? Anyway, I'm Rosemarie from Faithful Keto Kitchen. I'll see you guys later. I love you and have a blessed and amazing week. Bye, guys.